If you're thinking about or talking about adopting video within your business as an individual or a team or an entire organization, you're likely having conversations and thoughts about the more practical stuff, video equipment, video technology, and you need to do that. But above that, and typically before that, we need to have the conversation about generating buy-in, creating some awareness, doing some selling internally to make sure that the process of adopting the new tool or technology or technique is successful. This is basic behavior change. This is new habit formation, again, as an individual or as a group of people. And so we need to make some of those considerations here in video rather than stepping past it and looking toward kind of the more specific stuff, and really think about what can we do to create alignment within our organizations. And so one of the keys you'll find here in this post is that we need to align organizational goals and desired outcomes with leadership and department and management goals and desired outcomes with the goals and desired outcomes of individual practitioners, typically on the front lines, who are going to be executing a lot of the behavior change themselves on a day-to-day basis. And so once you create that alignment, you're in a much better position to win. There's more detail on that again down below. My name is Ethan Butte with BombBomb, and we've been helping individuals and teams and organizations successfully adopt simple, casual conversational videos in place of what would otherwise be plain typed out text, faceless digital communication for years. We've helped tens of thousands of people do this. And so we've rounded up some of our favorite guidance around these topics. If you're a frontline practitioner who sees the vision, maybe you're a salesperson or a BDR, or you're a customer success manager or an account manager, and you say, I want to do this, and you've got your toes in the water, your peers are maybe interested, but you need to kind of sell that into leadership or management, people who perhaps are going to be paying for some video tools and technologies. We have some guidance here for you in this post. If instead you're a leader and you have this vision for rehumanizing the way that your team delivers products and services and gets to their desired outcomes as a group, and you see video as part of that process, we've got some guidance here for you to address some of the resistance you're going to get, because video is not unlike any other behavior change or technology adoption. There will be resistors, there will be laggards, and so we give you some guidance and advice here too. Typically, when you're adding new technology to the stack, you need to get some buy-in for compliance with technology or legal or other teams that might have an interest in what you're doing as an individual or a group. We've got guidance on that as well. We hope you find this information helpful. Again, it's just some quick guidelines for you based on our experience helping others do the same. If you want some customized solutions, we're happy to have that conversation. You'll find some links here in the post to reach out and connect with us. We'd be happy to learn more about you and your business, maybe map some ways that video can help you be more effective every single day in connecting and communicating with the people who matter most to your success. Our entire goal is to rehumanize the planet, and our best step forward on that is to help you rehumanize your business communication. So we'd love to have that conversation, and getting buy-in and awareness early with all the people that are going to be implementing the technology and the behavior change is one of the key steps to take, and we hope you find this helpful in that process. Take care.